Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Guru, and here I am back again with another exciting video. And today's topic of discussion is going to be Bank of Baroda, and we're going to discuss whether you can make some money on this stock in the short term, and if yes, what is going to be your target, what's going to be a stop loss, what's going to be the duration of the investment, what are the risks and issues going to be there to make that money, and if it is going to be a thumbs up or thumbs down from the Wealth Guru team. So that's what we are going to discuss today. So if you are new to the channel, I would request you to subscribe to the channel because I bring in such videos almost every day, and you can get benefit out of this from the stock market. All right, so let's get in the stock. This is what is being recommended by 5 Paisa. So this is a technical recommendation based on the fact that after double bottom breakout, stock moved sideways, and on September 29th, that is today, the stock retook its 100-day moving average. So as you can see in this zone, it has retook its 100-day moving average, and all other indicators like RSI, MACD, and ADX suggest positive strength on the stock. So you can initiate coverage on the stock in a range of 81 to 82.5 for a target price of close to 95, which is almost 16% up from here. And the stop loss you can set is 76.5. So that is what is recommended by 5 Paisa, but we'll go into details to find out whether it makes sense for you to invest, what the fundamentals look like. So let's really go into a longer term chart to find out what the stock has performed over the years. And if you look at that from way back in 2002 or so, if this is the chart till today, and you see the stock has reached almost levels of 220 to 230 in the year of 2015, but after that it went down significantly to reach a level of close to 40 around last year April, but after that has moved up a bit and has almost doubled after that. So right now, what it looks like, the stock is about to take make a move from here, and if even if it reaches what it the half of what it reached in 2015, it's still going to be 100 plus. So that is what's going to be the stock recommendation. And if you look at the dividend history as well, all the D here indicate the dividends, and they are paying dividend till 2017 but hasn't paid dividend after 2017. So that's not happening for the last 2 3 years. And if you look at the overview of the stock has a market cap of close to 42,000 crores, which is obviously a large cap stock. The P for the trailing 12 month is 12.2. The price to book is, so going to the strength first. The MACD crossed over a signal line. There is growth in net profit with increase in profit margin. There is growth in quarterly net profit with increasing profit margin year on year. So all these are good signs. Company has zero promoter plays, so there is no promoter plays from the company. The recent results, there is growth in operating profit. Going to the weakness, there is declining net cash flow, and the book value per share is deteriorating for last 2 years. These are the weaknesses. In terms of opportunities, there is positive breakout on the third resistance. There is turnaround company. It's moving from a loss to a profit. That's a turnaround company. This negative to positive growth in sales. There's highest recovery between the 52-week low, and RSI indicating price strength and high volume high gain. All these are opportunities. In terms of threats, there is increase in NPA in the recent results and increase in provisions in the recent results. Those are threats, and that's pretty much for most of the banking companies have similar threats. Going into the stock recommendations, you see there's bullish moving average of 16. That means it is above all its 5-day, 10-day, 12-day, to 200-day. So all its bullish signals shows over here. And as you can see, there is resistance at 80 and 81.5, the third resistance, and support level like this. The third support is 77.0. So that's pretty much the technicals look like. And finally, looking at the shareholding pattern, most of the stock has been held by the promoters, which is the government of India. Mutual funds hold almost 10%, FIIs hold almost 10%, public hold close to 15 to 20%, and others hold around 5 to 10%. And if you look at the mutual fund holding, it's really went down for some time, but has been consistent for last 2 quarters. Same as FII, which has been consistent for last 2 quarters and increased from the last 2 3 quarters. So that's pretty much the stock all about. And if you look at a purely technical standpoint, it really gives the opportunity to gain around 15% from this point in the next maybe 15 days to 1 month. But even if you're not that aggressive, you can at least look for 8 to 10% gain. And from a fundamental standpoint, also it looks pretty awesome. So that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can get notification every time we post any video. Thanks a lot for watching.